get into a comfortable position and very gently allow your eyes to close. Breathe in and out of the nose, and as you do so, feel your body relax. Gently bring your hands to your belly and send an inhale down deep into your belly, feeling your hands moving outward as you inhale. And then exhale and feel your entire body relax. Again, nice deep inhale all the way down into the belly. And then exhale, relax. And then on your next inhale, really guiding that breath all the way down into the belly, feeling that breath nourishing the body as it goes all the way down. And then once again, just feeling the entire body melting and relaxing. Now release your hands from your belly and just let your arms and hands relax in whatever position is comfortable for you. And as you continue to breathe normally now, I want you to focus on the very base of your spine. And in the base of your spine, imagine a warm and glowing ball of light. And just focus on this warm and glowing ball of light here in the base of the spine. As you breathe, feel this ball of light as it glows. Feel it nourishing the base of your spine. And on your next inhale, imagine that you are pulling the warm ball of light up through the spine, and you are allowing it to cleanse and purify the spine as it moves up to the top of the head. And then exhale. Imagine that the warm, glowing ball of light is moving from the top of the head all the way back down the spine, feeling it relaxing and cleansing the spine before it goes back down into the base of the spine where it originated from. And then just keep this going, continuing to inhale that warm ball of light up the spine and then exhaling it down the spine on your own, and taking your time as you do this, not rushing it. As you are inhaling and exhaling this ball of light through the spine, you are allowing your mind, your focus to be right on this ball of light as it moves through the spine, and just feeling it going up and down, and focusing all of your energy here. So just taking some time now to do this on your own. Now, let go of the visualization and start breathing normally. Just inhaling and exhaling, and taking a moment to notice how your body feels. And on your next inhale, imagine that you are inhaling that breath in through the nose. And as you inhale, you are inhaling that breath all the way down into the pelvis. And when you exhale, feel the entire pelvis melting and relaxing. Again, taking a nice deep inhale through the nose, guiding that breath all the way down, imagining that you are drawing that breath all the way down into the pelvis through the length of that inhale. And then when you exhale, feel the pelvis relax, and as it does so, just feel that you are releasing any tension, any sadness, any feelings or emotions that might be stuck in your pelvis, just letting all of that go now. And just keep this going on your own. Again, inhaling, guiding that breath all the way down into the pelvis. And then exhale, letting that pelvis release anything that it might be holding on to. Just letting it melt and relax and surrender. And again, keep doing this on your own. Keep drawing that breath in through the nose and down to the pelvis with that inhale. And let that exhale be a full and complete relaxing of the pelvis. And just continue this now on your own at your own pace. And now very gently, allow yourself to let go of the practice and start breathing normally. Focus on your heart chakra at the center of your chest. And as you focus on your heart chakra, remember always that Your natural state is calmness and balance. Remember that you have the ability to come back to this state anytime you need to. Sending you peace and countless blessings.